In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix HyperX Cloud 3 no sound. The first thing that you want to do is to check for physical damage on the device itself or in its wires, making sure that it is not a physical problem. You also want to make sure that the USB port that you plug the device into is perfectly working. And from there, we then want to navigate through our windows right here. Right click on the volume icon, or you can just click on it, and then you want to make sure that you have selected the right audio input. In our case, it's going to be the main headset or the main speaker, so I'll just click on the main speaker right here. Now right click on the volume icon, click on the volume mixer, and then you want to make sure that your application is not muted. Once again, head over to volume icon, click on open sound setting. From here, you can simply do the same thing, which is to navigate through output and then click on the main headset, click on the sound control panel. And inside this setting, you then want to look for the HyperX Cloud 3 headset. So let's say that this is our headset right here. What you want to do is to simply right click on it, click on the enable option if it's disabled. As of right now, my device is enabled, so there's no enable option. You want to click on the set default, click on apply, and click on OK. Right after, this should help you fix the problem. And before we end the video, you also want to make sure that you have selected the microphone or the headset on your application. So let's say that I'm using this cord right here. Now I can just go ahead and navigate through other options like my user settings, the voice and video option, and from here you then want to select your HyperX Cloud 3. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.